guys, the Gabrielle Helene here. I would like to review the Greenworks electric pressure washer. The one demonstrated here is the 2000 psi, which is plenty for what I use it for. I just pressure wash my driveway and sidewalk along with the lower portion of my house. The price of this pressure washer is about $190 on Amazon. And I'm also using the dual rotating jet brush to do the driveway because it works really well. And that is about $20. The pressure washer comes with a soap container and 4 different types of jet. So you can safely wash your car, or you could wash a fence that really needs cleaning. So for this product, I have to say I give it a 2 thumbs up. I absolutely love it. It's very light to carry around. It's very easy to use, very easy to hook up. You just pull the attachments and it goes right in. So as you can see here on the picture, it's really easy, very light. 2 thumbs up, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.